Hey, the elevator's stuck at the 4th floor. Right at the landing position. Let's head to the machine room to see what's going on. The door lock circuit, it's open. Tried the good old power cycle, turned it off, turned it back on. But after rebooting, the elevator still didn't recover. At that point, I suspected the issue might be with the door operator or its power supply. The control panel indicators were flickering randomly. That usually points to a power supply problem. So I checked the output voltage. The voltage was way too high. I made a quick adjustment to the power supply. Then measured again. Now it's reading a stable 24.3 V, which is right where it should be. After the adjustment, the indicators is normal. I performed a relearning procedure to recalibrate the door. And just like that, the elevator's back in service. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you've run into something similar.